you have been given an opportunity to choose between these two, gaining more confidence and more data on your strategies through backtesting, or trading live accounts, losing confidence, your capital, and the data you should gather from live trading, which one of it will you choose? The psychology aspect of trading which you are trying to face won't come from you reading a lot of books about psychology. It won't come from watching a lot of videos about psychology. It will definitely come from the actions you put in place and the actions you take to better your psychology. One action you need to better your psychology in the aspect of confidence in your execution and confidence in your strategies is getting more data specifically on that particular strategies you are using. How can you get more data on the strategies you are using? One thing that can help you to do this, which I'm here to talk about today in this video, is backtesting. One of the biggest problem traders face is not having a good backtesting platform. Many platforms requires paid subscription, but today I want to show you a free platform you can use to backtest your strategies. Backtesting is one of the important skills traders need to develop before jumping into trading live accounts. Why this is important is through backtesting, traders get more data about every market condition and how best their trading strategies work with that particular market condition. So through backtesting, you get a lot of this data, and in different market conditions, which will make you now to know what your edge is in the market. Is your strategies really profitable in the backtesting stage in the market entirely, or is just an abstract concept that I know what my win rate is, I know my strategies is profitable, or I have an edge in the market? Do you truly know what it is? Do you truly know the amounts of wins that will come to you and the amounts of losses that will come to you? Either you are profitable or either you are not profitable. What can show you this is data of years, and backtesting help you to get these data of past years, which you can now bring to the current market you are trading. Then from there you can know either your strategies is profitable, or you have edge in the market, or you don't have edge in the market.
Right here on Google, this is what you should do. Go on GoCharting. This is the name of the backtesting platform. Stick with me and I'm going to take you through how you can set it up so your backtesting will be smooth and easy. So this particular backtesting software is free to use. I've been using them over time now and it's very helpful to me, and I decided to share it here with traders. So this is what you should do. Once you go on GoCharting, you sign in. Because you don't have an account, you have to sign in to have an account. So I'm going to use Google for this sign in to make it more easier for me. So sign in with any particular email you want to use. Sign in with any particular email account you want to use. So right now you have account with GoCharting platform right now. You have account with GoCharting right now. So what you should do now is go on product, click on chart. So you have account with them, you go on product, you wait for it to load. So right now this is the current market price of BTC. Once you open the default settings, I think is BTC, you're going to see BTC USD. So you have to set it up, and I'm going to teach you how you can set everything up here from the default settings so your chart can look like this. And this particular platform is free of ads. The only ads you are going to see is the one that is going to pop up around here, which is not anywhere close to your chart. It's not going to affect your chart. So that's one good thing about the platform. So let's go on setting it up, and I'm going to set it up and show you how you can save your settings. So whenever you close, you don't go back to default settings. So this is what you should do. Once you come, first log in the pair you want to backtest on. So let's say I want to backtest on GBP JPY. So as you can see, this is the current price of GBP JPY. So what you're gonna do right now is you have your pair already. So whatever you want to save is you press your Ctrl X. It's going to save as a new layout. So save it as a new layout and save as backtest. So right now, whatever you save here, this is what is gonna be saved. So you right click and go on edit settings. So this settings, how I want it to be right now is I want to make my buys to be black, I want to make my buys to be blue, and my sells to be black, and I don't want the grid lines. So I just want a flat chart So this is what I'm going to do. Once you right click, as I said, and you go on edit settings, X grid, turn off. This one you can leave it, so you can leave the daybreak. It's showing you the current price of that particular asset you are on. So there's no watermark. You can see I turn it off. There's no watermark, so turn it off. This is linear. Go put it on white. You push it to the top. Push every of it to the top. So this is done for the background, and you can see this is the bottom. You can clean up the line. There. That's all we have to do here. I just want to see the candles and a clear background, so I'm turning off everything here, the indicators, the volume, and every of it. I'm turning them off right now. So this particular event, you can see some events below the end. You can see it's no longer there, so I'm turning off everything, the earnings and everything. So follow how I did it. Turn off everything that you saw me turn off. So that's it for the background. So once you're done with it, Ctrl S, so you can save your settings. So this particular stuff here, this volume here, I told you I just want a plain background. So you're gonna hide it from there. Once you hide it, this is how your chart is looking right now. So this is the only ad that will be popping up. You can see it right here, and unless you want to get something from here, there is no interference with your chart. You just have to click and it's gone. And everything is free here. Everything you are using is free. You can use this. You can see it. You can reset your settings. You can do your settings to whatever you want to use. Ctrl S when you are done. You Ctrl S again to save all that you've done. So whenever you come in, you can save the template of whatever you have done also. So for the candles, if you want to change the colors of the candles, you double click on any candle to take you there. So I said I want to make these particular buys. I want to make my buys blue. Then my sell, I want to make it black. So you click it, any color of your choice. These are my cells. I'm picking my cells now. The first one is your buy. The second is your sell. You can see right now, do not reset default. Once you reset default, it's going to go back to the normal black and the normal red and green. So save as. You can come here and save it. So whenever you come, even if you see it go back to default, you can reset it. So you have saved your preset now, and this is how your candle look right now. So you can see it now how we have done this. So you can follow this simple example and design your own also, fix your own. And if you want to replay, here is the replay. You can go as far as 2014 and replay from there. You double click on it. When you click on replay, you double click on that particular place you want to backtest your strategies from. So this is how it works. Whatever you want to do there, you can use your lines and everything for your breakup structure, how you do it. If you want to get more of the drawing tools, you can go here, click here, this button. Then these are lines and measures, so you can get lines and measures from here, long position and short position. Then you can click here, favorite it, so that it can come on the screen here. As you can see it here, it's coming on. When I turn them off from favorite, you see them no more there. So you put the important ones you use to your favorite, like the horizontal ray and horizontal lines. Put them in your favorite, which they'll come to your dashboard. They will all come to your dashboard here. So this is it. And once you want to backtest very fast, you can drag it here. You can drag it to the up 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's play it. You can see how fast it is. You can reduce it. You can see it here. You can see how the candles is moving now. So you know how you want to do it. If you just want to make it very fast, you bring it to 0.1 seconds, and the bars will speed up to the highest. This is how it will speed. So if you want to slow it, you bring it, you push it up a bit, like 3 or 0.1 or 0.4. So this is how it works. So if you have been struggling with backtesting platform, I think here should be the best option for you. So with this all being said, if you have any question about the backtesting platform, you can ask me on my comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.